Hello, welcome to Spatial Data Hub. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about working with Geopackages, creating them, exporting them, converting to Geopackages, and also compressing different files, multiple files, into one single Geopackage layer. Did you know that's possible? I'll show you how. So, first of all, let's create a Geopackage layer. To create a Geopackage layer, on your toolbar, you would see the data source manager. If you don't see that, right click on your toolbar and go to data source manager, check this box. Now click on create new Geopackage layer. In the database, click on the browser button to select a directory of choice. I'll just put this on my desktop. I'll call it Spatial Data Hub. Do well to like this video and subscribe to the channel. You select the geometry type of choice. We'll call it polygon. Mind you, this section of this video is to show you can add as many fields as possible and then click on OK. Yeah, see our first file here. Now we want to create multiple geopackages into one single geopackage layer. You click on your new geopackage layer again and then go back there to that same folder, that same file, select it again and save. Now on the table name, you can call it something different. We can call this time roads. The last time I think we selected polygon, right? So this time we'll select points. So you could save more different geometries into a single layer. No, I shifted this guy. Yeah, I wanted to just type name as field and click on OK. It will ask you, say this file already exists. Do you want to overwrite the existing file or blah, 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 blah. You're not overwriting it. Overwriting it will mean deleting the previous file. This time you just add new layer. It has been created here, roads, right? So this time you now have, let's go to that our directory here. You have 2 Geopackages into this and you can add as many as I know. I don't know any limit yet. How about importing a Geopackage file? This is a multiple Geopackage file in one. To import it, you can go through your data source manager, through the vector, blah, 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 or you could simply do our old school drag and drop. It lists out the layers that are within this layer. You can say select all, deselect all, and add layers. And you have all your layers here from one single Geopackage layer. What if you do not want to export different layers into one Geopackage? You already have them as existing layers. I got it covered. Go to processing, go to toolbox, search for package layers. You'll find it under database. Select package layers. Select the layers which you want to package into one. What do we package now? Let's select lines, points, polygons, different geometry types. So check the box for save layers, save layer styles into Geopackage and save the metadata. Click on your browse button and save to a file. Spatial Data Hub. Click on save and then run. It compresses your files for you. Let's go back there. Now you see it's Spatial DH. You have all your files, one Geopackage. Next, we'll convert a shapefile into a Geopackage file. Now we have this file here, this world cities population. If you check the properties, it is in fact an ESRI Shapefile format, right? So to convert it into a Geopackage, right click on it and say export. You can also export selected features if it's just a couple features which you want to convert. And this time we'll say save features. On the formats drop down, select Geopackage. There are a lot of other formats which you will select here. We want Geopackage I'll click on it to check directory, world cities. Okay. And then you can edit the layer name, the coordinate reference of choice. If there are any fields which you want to do away with here, you can also take it off. And once you're satisfied with that, you click on OK, and your Geopackage is created for you. So now you have your file as a Geopackage. You can also do this when exporting. You can export multiple features into that same Geopackage, just the way we showed how to create multiple features into a single Geopackage. So you can click here and select the same world cities and say export, and it exports all your features right there into the same file. So that'll be it for this video. Let me know if you've tried this and if it works out for you. If there's any other manipulation which you know about Geopackages, do well to let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next